Welcome to the Easy English Learning Channel.
Today we learn daily routine vocabulary and sentence in English.
Share. She loves to share her favorite recipes with her friends. Take. He decided to take a break after working for several hours. Receive. She was excited to receive a package from her grandmother. Offer. They offered him a job that he couldn't refuse. Refuse. He had to refuse the invitation due to a prior commitment. Accept. She was happy to accept the award for her hard work. Discuss. They decided to discuss their plans for the weekend. Argue. The siblings often argue about who gets to use the computer. Agree. After a long discussion, they finally agreed on a solution. Disagree. They often disagree on which movie to watch. Protect. Parents do their best to protect their children from harm. Attack. The cat prepared to attack the mouse hiding in the corner. Defend. He tried to defend his friend during the argument. Climb. She loves to climb mountains during her vacations. Slide. The kids had fun sliding down the snowy hill. Gather. They gather around the fireplace to tell stories. Lead. She was chosen to lead the team on the new project. Shout. He had to shout to be heard over the loud music. Whisper. She leaned in to whisper a secret in his ear. Describe. He tried to describe the beautiful sunset to his friend. Claim. She claimed that she had seen a UFO.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.